So this is a Prusik knot. So all I'm going to do is lay my paracord on top of my rope and just roll it over. The end of it, the other bit, just goes through there and pulls towards whatever you want to tension. Now what will happen is, because it's a smaller diameter rope than the main one, is it will bite. So pull and it's not going to go anywhere. However, it will move. It'll move as long as there's not tension on it. As soon as I put tension on it, it bites into the rope and it won't go anywhere. This is a great knot, dead easy for setting up your tarpaulins. It really is super simple.